In the event that you're searching for Cardano cost expectations estimate for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and fundamentally need to, for the most part, know where the costs of Cardano, ADA, will sort of go from now on. We will examine the previous costs of Cardano, ADA, and will truly figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you want to generally take this forecast and each really other expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, anticipating something so wonderful is totally incomprehensible. Yet, we will make an honest effort in a sort of significant manner. How about we start, which basically is very critical. Cardano pass value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Cardano is 33 cents. And ADA is presently positioned number 7 in the exceptionally whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Cardano really is 34,976,484,533, with a market cap of $11,639,787,091, which is very critical. In the sort of beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been essentially diminished by 4.64% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we analyze the ongoing business sector cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. From most recent 7 days, the ADA explicitly was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 16.13%. Cardano has shown areas of strength for extremely recently, and this could be decent, an open door to generally dive right in and contribute, or so they in a real sense thought. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA diminished by 25.733%, dispensing with an incredible typical amount of 12 cents from its really current worth. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can, in a real sense, be a decent purchase and open door for speedy speculation. The 90 days cost change fundamentally is near 12.38%, and the cost generally flowed from a kind of least typical cost of 37 cents to greatest kind of normal cost of 39 cents. In the truly beyond 90 days, amazingly, in most recent 4 months, Cardano really has shown a developing pattern. Hence, we basically imagine that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period, in spite of mainstream thinking. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Cardano generally is expanded from 4 months in an unpretentious manner. The exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its cost. The coin is up by 19.11%, with the by and large most extreme truly normal cost of the coin truly was around 27 cents, and the base typical cost of essentially was around 26 cents in beyond 4 months. Amazingly, we anticipate future Cardano cost expectations ADA gauge by applying commonly profound fundamentally man-made reasoning, helped specialized examination on the in every practical sense, past value information of Cardano. Amazingly, we in a real sense give a valiant effort to by and large gather most extreme verifiable information for the ADA coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Cardano market cap, Cardano volume, and not many more in an unpretentious manner. Assuming that you are looking to buy and large put resources into advanced cryptographic forms of money, and most certainly need great profit from your ventures, really make a point to peruse our forecasts. Cardano Value Forecast 2023. The cost of Cardano explicitly is most certainly anticipated to truly reach at any rate worth of 34 cents in 2023, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Cardano cost could generally arrive at a most extreme worth of 38 cents, with the very normal exchanging cost of 35 cents, all through 2023. Cardano Value Expectation 2024. The cost of Cardano is fundamentally anticipated to reach at a genuinely least worth of 50 cents in 2024. The Cardano cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of 59 cents, with the especially normal exchanging cost of 52 cents all through 2024. Or so they thought. ADA value gauge for 2025. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ADA in 2025, the cost of Cardano in a real sense is anticipated to reach at a very least degree of 72 cents. Incredibly, the ADA cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 88 cents, with the very normal exchanging cost of 74 cents, which is very huge. Cardano, ADA, Value Expectation 2026 Cardano cost is estimated to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $1.09 in 2026 in an unpretentious manner. According to our discoveries, the ADA cost could arrive at a truly most extreme essentially conceivable degree of $1.24, with the typical conjecture cost of $1.12, which especially is genuinely huge. Cardano Value Expectation 2027 Cardano cost essentially is figured to truly arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $1.61 in 2027, in spite of mainstream thinking. According to our discoveries, the ADA cost could arrive at an in every practical sense, most extreme conceivable degree of $1.90, with the truly normal estimate cost of $1.65, or so they thought, which generally is very huge. Cardano Value Expectation 2028, according to the figure cost and specialized examination, in 2028, the cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at an especially least degree of $2.29. The ADA cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $2.81, with the really normal exchanging cost of $2.36, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano, ADA, Value Expectation 2029. The cost of one Cardano is supposed to reach at any rate level of $3.26 in 2029, which in every practical sense is very critical. The ADA cost can generally arrive at a greatest degree of $3.96, with the typical cost of $3.36 all through 2029, or so they thought. Cardano Value Gauge 2030. As per our extremely profound specialized examination on past value information of ADA in 2030, the cost of Cardano really is determined to be at around a base worth of $4.69, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. The Cardano value worth can arrive at a limit of $5.77, with the typical exchanging worth of $4.83 in United States dollars, which sort of is genuinely critical. Cardano, ADA, Value Expectation 2031. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2031, the cost of Cardano is supposed to reach at a very least value worth of $6.98. The ADA cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $8.10, with the typical worth of $7.22. Cardano Value Forecast 2032. The cost of Cardano by and large is anticipated to truly reach at a sort of least degree of $10.41 in 2032, in an unobtrusive manner. The Cardano cost can arrive at an especially greatest degree of $12.08, with the typical cost of $10.70 all through 2032.